Okay guys, this is a 2011 Toyota Sienna XLE. Present you from Real Deal Auto. This was a trade-in we just took in. Clean title, clean Carfax, never damaged. See, the motor looks really clean in here. It's got clear bra that was covered on the front bumper, fender, leather. Oh, 180,000 miles on it. Does have a backup camera up there. Heated seats. Your vents in the back. Does have your power sliding doors. This does have a sunroof on it. Looks like there is the sunshades up in here. Looks like there's some sort of hitch on there that probably want to take off. And those are to hook up a little trailer on there. This is all-wheel drive. There's a dent right through here. Leather's in really good shape for 180,000 miles. All your manuals. Looks like they have all their maintenance in here. Lots of receipts.